Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows cannot map network drive in Windows 10 as well as Windows 11. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all in the search box type a control panel and open a control panel. After opening the control panel, go to your program and features. Click on turn Windows features on or off. Scroll down and find out no find out a SMB 1.0/CIFS file sharing support. Check it and expand it and make sure that all the checks is folders is checked. Click on OK button. It's required for a few minutes. Now after that restart your computer. So in my case I restart is later. So restart now, and after that I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a control panel. Go to your control panel and after that go to your network and sharing centers. Go to your advanced sharing center. Go to your our networks. And make sure that turn on password protection sharing. So turn on it and close it and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this start your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a third method. The third method is that in the search box type a registry editor and open a registry editor, right click, run as administrator. After opening that, first of all select the HP current user and expand it, and after doing this that find out a network. Right click, click on new, click on a new key and set a name is F. After select it, right click new, click on a default 32-bit value and set a name is provider flags. So set a name is and open it and set a value data is 1. Click on OK button and close the registry editor and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.